Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rename HDMI devices on your DREAME 43Q100. First, press the gear button on your remote control to open Quick Settings menu, and then select the gear icon on your screen to open all settings. After that, go to Channels and Inputs, select Inputs here, and in the Inputs menu, select the input that you want to rename, and then select Edit Names. In the following menu, select one of the available names. We have preset names like Media Player or Game Console, or you can select a custom one and then provide a name for your HDMI input manually. Then click OK to save the name. And from now on, the name for this source will be changed. We're just gonna have to give it a moment. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.